Boy, what a great story from a college assignment at GC Foster to the global stage. Oshane Nation has risen through the ranks to earn a spot at the 2026 FIFA World Cup. It doesn't get any better than that. He joins us this morning to share his journey. Morning, Bridget. What go on?
Morning, boss. Never. How are you doing?
So the man run come on and work him one card, me. Yeah, we've had many games with me as the coach, him as the referee. Tell me about the journey. When did you feel you want? I said something about GC Foster, but that is when you decided, or that is when you started to ref?
Yes. So
tell me that story.
I started college. I was going to GC Foster. I was in my final year, and we were having inter-house competitions. Right? I was an unofficial referee. I never ref a game, but being involved in sport, being involved in football early, so I have a background knowledge. I think I know the laws.
Because you used to play.
At the moment, I think I know the laws, right? Yeah. So there was inter-house competitions and there was nobody to do the games. So the president of the college at that time asked me, "Yo, can you do a couple games for me?" And I said, "Fine, no problem." At that moment, I thought I was the best referee in the world.
Them not curse you.
Nobody cursed me, man, because they know me, right? They have a little respect for me. And at that moment, I thought I was the best referee. And that's how it started. I was doing the games, and then one day, while doing a game, an instructor saw me, Mark Sullivan, St. Catherine referee instructor. He saw me and invited me to referee training. And the rest is pretty much this.
But I hear you left and you went to Mexico.
Yes,
to do what?
I mean, I went to Mexico on a CONCACAF poor program of referee excellence. They target young aspiring referees who are talented, and the fast track the development. I went to Mexico on 2 separate 1-month periods.
Okay.
And that's where I actually went and developed my craft.
Okay. Why, brother? I mean, I'm a coach, and even on my bench, the amount of thing them telling us sometimes, they tell you about your entire family.
Some colorful words.
Sometimes, as the man start, here a man boss say, referee, but I need to know. Why? You never say, I can't bother this no more, man.
It's one of those...
it's abuse.
It's abuse, of course,
yeah.
But it's one of those jobs that is like the prerequisite. That's what comes with being a referee, the abuse. And for me, I use it more as a motivation. I like it if I'm at a game and I hear the fans behave in a particular way. I mean, some of it is over the top. If it becomes threatening or whatever the case is, the referee have the power to get that spectator out of the ground. But the regular things about a referee are thief and things like that. I mean, for me, I use it as a motivation to know that, guess what, you have to be on your ball. You have to be as consistent as possible. So.
Strange enough, and we were talking about this before you came here, this didn't surprise me because I've been watching you doing the CONCACAF club games and stuff. What about that? Are you handled any differently by players when you go abroad? I know you did a Gold Cup semi-final. I think it was USA Honduras.
Yes.
That is a big match. I think that's probably the biggest match you've done thus far, right?
Yes, in the Gold Cup.
Right. Is the same kind of abuse you get when you go for it?
No, man. Overseas is a little bit more... what call it, sophisticated. Oh,
you get abused, but in a decent way.
Yeah, probably a decent way.
So they don't tell you about your family?
Yeah, probably, but sometimes I don't understand.
They say, Honduras man pass and go say, you have no idea what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm not saying some things.
Usually, as a commentator, and you know this, every game I'll go to the referee and say, how many red cards you got so far this season? And they have some referees where just love red card. And you have some referee, you could have killed a man, him not showing you a red card. What kind of ref are you?
I mean, you know that I am a disciplinarian for sure. I like when my game is flowing, right? And once there's any sort of misconduct, I am going to deal with it.
Yeah.
And that is how you get the respect over there.
Yeah. And then some people think that the best referees, you don't even realize them on the park.
Yes.
Because them don't blow off everything. And,
exactly.
You know?
If the game is flowing, players are enjoying the game, for me, that's the best thing for me. I can just facilitate it.
Yeah.
Right? However, if players are misbehaving, 2 teams don't want to play football, then that's a different situation. Then they're going to say the referee get involved.
Yeah. I told the story about how somebody balled out from my bench. And say, referee, you fight against the judges, you them. Here comes Oshane right in front of me and say, I said, Oshane, you think it's me? He said, you know, you in charge of the bench. So,
yeah, man, in that moment, you're the coach, right?
So me have to take some licks.
I will take the blame, man.
When you heard that you got this, how did that make you feel? What was your first reaction? Who make you know that you get it? How you find out that you get it?
So I was abroad last week, so I went and did a Champions League game.
Yeah.
Nashville.